Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger video flickering issue on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Here we have to check the list. Is there any update available for Facebook and Facebook Messenger, then update the app Facebook and Messenger. The second thing that we have to do, check the iPhone storage. To check that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Now we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Now we go for solution number 3. Launch settings. If you're using cellular or mobile data, then better switch to Wi-Fi. Now we go for solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Number 5. Reset network settings. First launch settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 6. Tap and hold Facebook and Messenger app. Now tap remove app. After removing the app, go back to App Store and re-download the application. Now we are going to try the final solutions. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.